Hello everyone, this is Pranav and I'm here to tell you about this Digitek Professional Wireless Microphone System. This amazing device is perfect for any type of content creation. It has a built-in 3.7 volt by 1800 milliampere lithium polymer battery on the power charging compartment and a built-in 3.7 volt 300 milliampere lithium polymer battery on the host, which works for up to 12 hours. It also has a DC 5 volt 1 to A Type-C power adapter and a built-in V5.3 Bluetooth. The Digitek Professional Wireless Microphone System also has a built-in DSP chip that intelligently filters noise and provides professional full transparency audio quality. It is also plug-and-play with automatic pairing and low latency signal transmission without interruption, making it perfect for video shooting. It has a high-performance wireless transmission that is effective up to 30 meters with 90 dB sensitivity. This device can be used with laptops, PC, DSLR cameras, amplifiers, DV camcorders, smartphones, mixers and more. So if you are looking for a professional wireless microphone system, the Digitek Professional Wireless Microphone System is the perfect choice for you.
Microphones play a pivotal role in capturing high-quality audio for various purposes, from podcasting and video production to music recording and live performances. To help you choose the ideal microphone for your needs, here's a comprehensive buying guide. Determine your use case. Studio recording. Opt for large diaphragm condenser microphones like those with extended frequency response for capturing vocals or instruments such as acoustic guitars. Live performances. Choose dynamic microphones with high SPL handling and excellent off-axis rejection to minimize feedback during live shows. Microphone types. Condenser microphone, suited for capturing intricate details due to their lower self-noise, ideal for studio environments where controlled conditions prevail. Dynamic microphones. Durable and resilient, they are ideal for on-stage use where rough handling and high sound pressure levels are expected. Polar patterns. Cardioid, great for isolating the primary sound source while rejecting noise from the sides and rear. Perfect for solo vocals or focused instrument recording. Omnidirectional, useful for capturing an ambient or natural soundscape, ideal for roundtable discussions or field recording. Connectivity XLR, offers balanced connections for professional audio quality and longer cable runs. Common in studio setups. USB, provides a simple plug-and-play solution for direct connection to computers suitable for podcasting and home recording. Audio quality. Frequency response. Look for microphones with flat frequency response for capturing natural sound, ensuring balanced representations of high, mids and lows. Sensitivity. Choose microphones with appropriate sensitivity levels to match your intended source's loudness. Durability and build quality. Construction. Rugged microphones with metal construction endure live gigs and demanding environments. Accessories. Pop filters. Essential for vocal recordings to minimize plosive sounds caused by fast-moving air like P and B sounds. Windshields. Necessary for outdoor recordings to reduce wind noise interference. Compatibility. Device compatibility. Ensure the microphone's output, XLR or USB, matches the inputs of your recording equipments such as audio interfaces or mixers. Portability. Size and weight. Consider the microphone's size and weight if you need a portable solution for remote recording or interviews. Live performance versus studio recording. Live performances. Dynamic microphones with robust construction and excellent off-axis rejection are perfect for stage use. Studio recording. Condenser microphones shine in controlled studio settings, capturing nuanced audio details. By diving into these technical intricacies and aligning them with your recording goals, you'll confidently select a microphone that elevates your sound quality and meets your specific requirements.